Welcome to our review of the StarTech.com 28-inch wall-mount media enclosure, a solution that provides a centralized, secure location to house and protect your networking equipment. Designed for everything from routers and switches to fiber media converters and modems, this media enclosure brings order to the chaos of cables and devices while ensuring optimal performance. One of the standout features of this media enclosure is its structured design. It is built to consolidate your network components into a neatly organized space, making it easier to manage both cabling and hardware. Its robust construction is aimed at enhancing protection while still being accessible for regular maintenance or upgrades. The device supports a weight capacity of up to 22 pounds or 10 kilograms of equipment, meaning you have ample flexibility when choosing components to secure inside. Another innovative feature is the Wi-Fi transparent plastic construction. Made from fire-retardant, all-plastic materials, the enclosure design ensures that RF and Wi-Fi signals aren't blocked, an essential characteristic for anyone using wireless access points or other wireless devices. The vented door promotes passive cooling, ensuring that your hardware stays within safe operating temperatures without the need for additional cooling mechanisms. Installation flexibility is also a highlight of this product. Supporting both surface and recessed mounting, StarTech.com has thought of every scenario where you might need to secure your equipment. The enclosure is fitted with keyhole mounting holes, meaning a single person can handle the installation, with no tools required for adjusting the height of the shelves. All necessary hardware is included, and the design fits perfectly between standard 16-inch spaced studs, making it a practical option for many homeowners and small office setups. Real-world use of the enclosure has been positive, especially in environments requiring organized cable management. With 5 knockouts on the top and 3 on the bottom, plus hook and loop straps and plastic hooks, cable management is both straightforward and efficient. However, one minor drawback could be that the modular design, while highly functional, might present a learning curve for those unfamiliar with structured media setups. When compared with similar products, the StarTech.com enclosure stands out due to its emphasis on protecting wireless connectivity and offering both surface and recessed mounting options. For users looking for a secure, versatile solution to upgrade their network setups, this product is an appealing choice. Tip: to get the most out of this enclosure, organize your cables meticulously and regularly inspect the connections for dust buildup, ensuring longevity and optimal performance. Overall, if you're setting up a home office, small business network, or simply aiming to upgrade your media center, this StarTech.com wall-mount media enclosure is a dependable, well-designed option that fits the bill for both functionality and style.